He's sleeping with his eyes open. This shit is scary. Man, high right now. This nigga looks crazy. Oh shit, this nigga is looking at me. But he's sleeping.